In this video I'll show you how you can freeze the top row in an Excel file or some other rows or columns or rows so that you can have a fixed header like here, and when you scroll it doesn't disappear out of the frame like you see how it's happening now. Usually you want to have the top most row or the leftmost column frozen so that you can scroll to the right or below without losing the headers of your columns. This is about titles for your columns and rows. You go to do this, you go to in Excel, you go to view, freeze panes, and here you have freeze panes, freeze top row, or freeze first column. The freeze first column and top row are very easy to do. This is what you would 99% of the time want to do. You can also do it from the formatting, but the easiest is to go in the file, the top menu, the ribbon menu, and you go to the view, collection, freeze panes, freeze top row, or freeze first column. And now I did it, and it doesn't matter what you have selected. In the old versions of Excel you had to select something specific and do it like that, and you can choose freeze panes and freeze panes to remove the changes you just made, so it's all back again how it used to have it. In this case, how I did it like this, it freezes the first to the 9th row, and afterwards they scroll. This is not very useful in this case, but you might want to freeze 2 rows or 3 rows, and in this case you might use it like this. 99% of the time all you want to do is freeze the first column or the top row like this. This is for the first column. You see how I can scroll now to the right and the first column is there. Same with the top row. I can have it there. Apparently you can't really have both, but okay, I guess if you go really far maybe there is a way to do it, but usually you don't need to go so far. I hope this video helps you. Let me know in the comment section below if there is anything other Microsoft Excel tips. This is Microsoft Excel 2019, but it works on any version, even the Microsoft Office, Microsoft 365, which has all the Office and all the options built in. Thanks for watching.